Good morning, friends. Welcome to SBI Securities morning podcast, where we would be discussing about what to expect in Nifty, Bank Nifty from here on, along with the key levels for both the indices. We'll also be discussing on the key sectors and stocks that we should be focusing for the day and for the next few trading sessions. Post a gap up opening yesterday, we witnessed a rainbound trading session for Nifty and Bank Nifty with a lot of choppiness which was seen in the market. Even dollar index sustained at elevated levels of 106, along with Brent crude oil prices trading at higher levels of $91 per barrel. This is a very important piece of data we should not be missing. And in such a scenario, as we mentioned yesterday too, if the indices, that is Nifty, even if it consolidates and stays range bound, it would be a win-win scenario for us. With the results season currently in full swing, the most influential stocks whose earnings are due today are Bajaj Auto, ICICI GI, IndusInd Bank, LTI IM and Wipro. Coming to index levels, that is, Nifty could get support at 19,765, 19,780 zone, and resistance could be witnessed around 19,890, 19,920 zone on the upside. The reason for the resistance being at 19,890, 19,920 is that it is the zone where there was a pending gap previously on the charts. Along with this, if you see, it is the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement of its prior down move, that is from 20,222 towards 19,333 in the last month. Beyond 19,920 on the upside, if the markets are able to sustain, there could be a short covering rally towards the levels of 20,000, 20,060 on the upside. Looking at the OI data, significant put OI has been built up at 19,800, 19,700 strikes, while on the call front, that is 19,850, 19,000 strikes continue to witness open interest addition. Overall range for the day could be 19,765 on the downside and 19,920 on the upside. Now moving forward towards Bank Nifty, the key support for Bank Nifty lies at 44,100, 44,150 zone, an area where the index has found a demand multiple times in the last 3 weeks. So that's a crucial support for watch out for in intraday trade. Any move below the level of 44,200 could lead to further selling pressure on the downside towards the levels of 44,040 on the downside. Key hurdle on the upside would be 44,500, 44,550, where the 20-day EMA is placed, and only a sustenance above the level of 44,550 index can extend its rally all the way towards 44,730, 44,800 on the upside. Now let us look at the stocks and sectors that are looking positive for the day. Positive chart setup is visible in HCL Tech, Titan, Larsen & Toubro, Hero MotoCorp, Colpal among the large cap stocks, that is, and L&T Finance, Bharat Forge, Dixon among the mid cap space. The open interest also for these particular counters is looking on the positive side. These counters, that is, have added long positions in yesterday's trade as well as from the past few trading sessions. Even if you look at the few of the railway counters have displayed good momentum yesterday, and we feel up move could continue in these counters such as IRCON and IRFC. If we observe the FI data, that is, both the FIs and DIs have bought in the cash market segment to the tune of 260 and 100 crores respectively. FI long short ratio for index futures has slightly improved to 29%, as they are covered around 6,500 existing short contracts in index futures. On the stock futures side, FIs have bought 30,500 contracts, and on the options front, if we see, FIs have added 2.9 lakh contracts of call options and even added 2.7 lakh contracts of put options, which indicates that post this range bound trading in indices, a big move is round the corner for Nifty. Just to summarize, that is, the frontline indices along with DXY and crude oil have traded in a narrow range, that is, from the past few sessions. The key support for Nifty being 19,765, 19,780, and resistance on the upside being 19,890, 19,920 on the upside for today's trade. While for Bank Nifty, the key support would be 44,100, 44,150, and resistance on the upside would be 44,600, 44,650 zone. So, friends, that's all for today. Thanks for regularly listening to our podcast and wishing you all an energetic day ahead. Do tune in tomorrow for more market updates and insight. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.